Hey everybody, this is Frank's Homestead, and today if you are trying to level an area but don't have access to a laser level or a transit, I'm going to show you how to do it using string and a line level. Okay, so this area here that I'm making is actually for my sawmill that I've just bought, and I needed a place to put it. For this purpose, the pad needs to be level. What I need to do is just do a rough check to see how level it is. First thing you want to do is stake out where you want to measure. Make a loop in the string and put it around the first stake. I recommend keeping it within 6 to 8 inches off the ground, so that way when you pull the string tight it doesn't put pressure on the top of the stake to pull it out. Put your line level on. Move your string up or down so that the bubble on the string line level will be right in the center. Then tie off your string. After you tie off your string, just double check your level. Make sure that the bubble is right in the middle. Once you got your string all leveled up, now just go about a foot out from the first stake where you started and take a measurement. There we got about 9 1/4. Go about another foot, and it's actually only at 9. Go another foot, we're about 10 1/4. Another foot, 10 1/4. And for me, the main thing I'm looking at is what is the final down here. And I've got about 11 1/2. Now this is a good system when you don't need your final grade to be precise. This just gives you a rough idea on what the slope is. The line level was only a couple dollars at the hardware store. String was also only a couple dollars. Now if you're concerned about drainage off of your house, that's a different story. Okay, so what if you do need to measure slope from your house on your yard to see if you've got proper drainage? Well, this is what it looked like on paper. So you've got your building wall over here. This is your first stake. This is your second stake. This is your yard. This is your string line with your level on it. And what you're looking for is that 1/8 inch per foot drop. That's your slope. So, if you started over here at 6 inches and you measured every foot down your string line, that means that if you had your proper 1/8 per foot drop down at this end, you should have 7 1/4 inches or 1 1/4 per 10 feet of drop. Well, I hope this has been helpful and informative. Please let us know if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.